I buy this iPhone programmer from China, and I will do an unboxing for you. With this programmer you can replace iPhone LCD screens and batteries. In this video you will see what's in the box, how the device look and work. With this device, you can move TrueTone from a broken iPhone screen to a new screen and restore battery health on a new battery cell. They actually did a pretty good job with the package. I feel like I am unboxing an iPhone. Here is the programmer itself and a Type-C charging cable. And some papers with the code you need to scan and will direct you straight to the user manual site. Actually, the cable doesn't feel cheap. And it's pretty solid. And no physical user manual in here. Now, let's see what happens when we scan the code they provide. And of course, it doesn't work. Now, tried to power it on, but I found out that I have the wrong battery type and they do not provide a battery in the box. Here is an iPhone 7 battery, and I need an iPhone 8 battery to make it work. In the next video, we will show you what it can do. The device comes with a standard USB port and a Type-C port for charging. It comes in the box with the screen's connectors. And you have to buy separately the battery connectors. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will use it to replace an iPhone battery and LCD screen. See you next time.